excitement, submission. What we see now is this excited submission. The tension is slowly going away. Junior went in the top of her shoulder. Yeah. See, Junior is chasing. She's running away from Junior. So the one who's dominating right now is Junior. It's for a puppy. At best, they never learn. You know, they can actually stop. So if we practice it again, I'm going to correct it. So meeting new dogs is really good because that creates more social behavior, but at the same time, you have to pay attention the first 10 minutes. Coming up, the reunion of Trinity and her housemate Sandy. We got to stop any kind of tension. Stay tuned for more of the story of Trinity right here on the National Geographic Channel. Wanted, an electrically charged sharp-toothed venom-spitting creature from Mongolian death row. What I'm looking at. A new episode tomorrow at 9 on the National Geographic Channel. This April, Expedition Week returns with 2 epic premieres every night all week long. It's about adventure. Expedition Week premieres Sunday, April 3rd at 9 on the National Geographic Channel.
I can't let allergies stop me from leading the way, so I get clarity cleared. Come on, team! Claritin works hard to relieve my worst symptoms, and only Claritin is proven to keep me as alert and focused as someone without allergies. Watch your step. Don't let allergies hold you back. Claritin clear with non-drowsy Claritin. Larry, we just had the carpets cleaned. You said you got a DiGiorno.
Did I get up?
Breadsticks. Taste, believe. It's not delivery. It's DiGiorno. She found the box. Nationwide Insurance. Talk to me.
Should I bundle all my policies with Nationwide Insurance?
Watch this. On one hand, you have your home insurance with one company.